This 2022 Forest River Impression 330BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kyle, Texas, 78640 and is offered for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, Austin, Texas. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a PARAMOUNT interior, sleeps 8, slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, Austin, Texas, visit RVUSA.com.